Here are 5 tips for eating out when you're working towards a weight loss goal. But before we get into it, it's important that you know eating out too much is a huge barrier to weight loss. Eating a meal out here or there isn't going to break your progress. But if you're eating out multiple times a week, the bottom line is you just don't know how many calories you're actually eating. So you should be cooking your meals the majority of the time. That being said, when you do go out to eat, here are 5 things that can help you stay on track and cut down on those calories. Look at the menu ahead of time and decide what you're ordering. Drink that full glass of water they give you before you eat anything. Stick to 0-calorie drinks. When they bring you your meal, go ahead and pack half of it to go. And if you are ordering appetizers or desserts, just keep it to a couple of bites of each. Hope this helps.